Welcome to Smart Finance Investor. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep or sipping cocktails on a beach while your bank account grows, you're in for a treat. We're diving headfirst into the captivating world of earning royalties, passive income from intellectual property. This topic is not just a game changer, it's a life changer. So, grab a comfy seat and get ready to unlock secrets to building a steady stream of passive income that can potentially transform your financial future. Section 1. Unveiling the power of royalties. The royalty revolution. Before we dig into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about the sheer power of royalties. Imagine this: you create something, a book, a song, an invention, and every time someone uses or enjoys it, you get paid. It's like planting money seeds that grow into a lush forest of income. That's the magic of royalties. The intellectual property spectrum. But what exactly can generate royalties? Well, virtually anything that's a product of your mind. We're talking about four main categories: copyrights for creative works, trademarks for branding, patents for inventions, and licenses for granting permission to use your creations. Section 2. Crafting your intellectual empire. From passion to profit, writing books and ebooks. First stop, the world of written words. Got a passion or expertise you're dying to share? A book or ebook might be your golden ticket. We'll dive into researching your category, outlining, writing, editing, and self-publishing. Plus, tips to market your masterpiece and generate those coveted royalties. Hitting the right note. Creating captivating music, calling all the musically inclined. From composing melodies that resonate with hearts to producing beats that move feet, music is a universal language. We should focus on how to craft songs that captivate, platforms to share your tunes, and strategies to ensure your music generates ongoing royalties. Building a digital legacy, software and apps, tech enthusiasts, this one's for you. With the digital age booming, software and apps are like golden geese laying royalty eggs. Learn how to turn your tech ideas into reality, navigate coding and development, and tap into global markets to earn those sweet, sweet royalties. Section 3. Strategies for passive income mastery. Cultivating your personal brand. Before your intellectual property takes off, it's crucial to cultivate your personal brand. Craft a compelling online presence, leveraging social media, and creating a professional website that showcases your expertise. Remember, a strong brand sets the stage for royalty success. The art of licensing and collaboration. Don't go solo. Collaborations and licensing can supercharge your royalty income. Explore how partnering with other creators or licensing your work can lead to wider exposure and bigger financial gains. Uncover the do's and don'ts of these game-changing strategies. Thinking global. Distribution domination. Thanks to the internet, your reach is limitless. Delve into the art of global distribution, from Amazon to streaming platforms, app stores to international publishing. Learn how to adapt and translate your work to reach audiences far and wide, ensuring a consistent flow of royalties. Quality and consistency. Your royal reputation. Creating a steady stream of passive income requires dedication. We'll dive into the importance of quality and consistency. Whether it's fine-tuning your music, updating your software, or publishing new books, maintaining a high standard keeps your audience engaged and ensures your royalties keep rolling in. Section 4. Real-life tales of royalty triumphs. Let's draw inspiration from real-life stories of royalty triumphs. From legendary authors like J.K. Rowling to entertainment giants like Disney, these success stories prove that anyone can turn their intellectual property into a goldmine of passive income. Your journey could be the next remarkable tale. Embark on your royalty adventure. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into earning royalties, passive income from intellectual property. Remember, you're just one brilliant idea away from creating a steady income stream that could redefine your financial future. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep embracing the incredible world of royalties.